Today in this video I show you how to allow Messenger access to photos in Android. For this you have to open Messenger app. Now open any contact you want and click on this photo icon. Now as you can see, Messenger is asking for photo access. If you click on this turn on and then click on allow, again click on allow, you can see photo access is allowed in Messenger. You can also allow photo access with another method in which you have to go back and find Messenger app. Now press and hold the Messenger app like this. Click on app information. Now open app permissions. Now you have to find photo and media or files and media. Open files and media. Now if you click on don't allow, then photo access will denied for Messenger. And if you click on allow, Messenger will get access of photos in your device. So this is how you can allow Messenger access to photos in Android. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.